Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're going to be hitting up garage sales. It might not be that good, but we're going to try to make it happen. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the outside of a garage sale. Like right now, there's a happening garage sale, and we got to go check it out. I'm here with E-Money.
Yo, what's up?
And we were just listening to Uptown Girl. Is that Billy Joel?
No, it's Megadeth.
Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, we were reading all y'all's responses about what you listened to on your hustling day. That was pretty cool on a video that I just edited. That's aside the fact, there are probably 3 or 4 garage sales today, and maybe a couple thrift stores and a bike swap meet. And we're gonna take you with us, so make sure you hit the like button right now, and let's get right to the show. That's our first garage sale, and there's all kinds of crazy looking things here, so let's go check this thing out real quick. We're also in the small spaceship, so you know, it can be devastating if we even just get a micro haul. I mean, the whole thing will just get filled up in like 1 second. So, you know, we kind of play, we're kind of playing, I guess, it's not Russian roulette. What kind of roulette is this? Cheddar roulette?
Yeah, why?
Because we're in the escape pod. What if we even get a remotely a good haul?
Oh, then we're so screwed.
We're super screwed.
Completely.
Yeah, so anyways, let's go check it out. Let's go.
All right, so the first thing that Bonafide got, he's going to keep it. I don't think there's really any profit in this.
From that garage sale, there's still some really cool things over there, but we just can't. Look at this. We already filled up the spaceship sorta with this one kind of bench looking chair thing. It was $5. Probably gonna keep it. So let's just go to the next garage sale, see if we can find anything there. Okay, so next garage sale sitting right here. E-Money's already trying to make a deal with some board game thing with that guy. I was able to pick up some really awesome things. This was $8 for both. All right, so this is like a rank 1 or 5 or something like that. This is a C920, I believe. But yeah, this is like one of the world's best webcams ever. This thing usually sells and gives you about a $45 payment from Amazon. And it's super low rank, so there you go. I think it's a C920 if I'm not mistaken. That should be what it is. This is the one that I use for all my shows. Know that webcam, because that's the most popular one. I also got a blue Snowball, which is a microphone, USB microphone. You can see the USB out. So yeah, this is called the Snowball Ice. It's made by Blue. Blue also makes this really popular one called the Yeti, which is very, yeah, it's just basically really popular. This was part of the $8 deal. This one I'm going to be keeping because we are making already videos on my other channel that are vlog videos that are more fitness based, and that you can find at Bod Dam. And yeah, so sometimes I do voiceover and I need a mic. I was about to buy a blue Yeti mic or whatever, and this is a Snowball, which is a cheaper one, but still should work pretty good. What'd you get, man?
So I thought I'd swing on this one. Like he was telling me more about this.
Okay.
I passed on those tiny Warhammer ones, just because shipping it would have been a little bit more expensive. But this one's Destiny, and he said like there's a lot more things that he added to it. And from the stuff that I saw, I scrolled like way down into like the 40s, and I didn't see anything that had anything like this. So it's probably in the 70 to higher range.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
How much you spend on it?
10.
10. All right, nice. So that is a kind of strategy role-playing game of some sort. Very cool.
Dice game.
A dice game. All right, so let's go to the next garage sale, see if we can find anything there.
Hey, whoa.
What?
Yeah, I got a trivia question for you.
First of all, what is that, real quick?
What?
Why is that thing like kind of on the side of it? Why is it kind of effed up?
What do you mean?
This thing right there. Why is it kind of effed up right there? That's not. I don't think it's a real bill. Ah! It is Jefferson. It's Jefferson.
Guess what? That's not the question I was going to give you.
What is the question?
All right. How many guys are standing
4
at the table
4
facing the
4?
guy?
Oh, actually, I know this. I actually do know this.
No, the last one I said how many guys had their legs crossed.
Okay, on a $2 bill?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, this one's different. How many guys are standing at the table?
At the table on a $2 bill, 5 million.
Honest one.
Okay, fine, 7 million.
Close.
6 million?
What do you think?
6 million.
Okay, it's between 1 and 6
million?
Yes.
2 million.
No.
3 million.
No, it's somewhere in between.
4 million. 3.5 million. Someone's cut in half on the picture.
It's 5. 5 people are standing at the desk.
Oh, okay, 5 million.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, this looks like...
Oh my gosh.
What is it? Politician Bonafide.
Yeah. So, let's go to the next garage sale and quit dicking around. All right, next stop is this Goodwill, and it just opened. Which I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but you know, surprisingly this day is not bad in like hour number 1. I hope it just continues like this. I don't imagine it will though. I'm gonna take E-Money to a really good coffee shop that I went to last weekend, so you'll see that here in a second too. Right after this, actually, we're gonna go there.
Is it Satan?
No, better than that. This place is bomb. What are you looking for? Hunters, right here, you ding dong.
No, I was looking at this for like 2 seconds.
15, wrecked. Timbuktu. I kind of stopped picking these things up. This is a big one though, but yes.
Is the power one?
No, it's just a big dumb one. Want some socks, E-Money? Baby socks?
Nope.
We got a little bit of bod damn in here, right here. All right, found the little razor mouse. He's gonna sell it for around 25, 30. That's pretty cool. Little eye clicker.
These go for 27, 28 bucks.
All right, very cool.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So here's my way of testing out the mouse if it really works. When you're liking gameplay, you got to do this.
Yeah.
Okay. To make sure that each of these click really fast.
Yeah.
And these two don't.
Oh, they don't?
So you have to imagine like you're a gamer and be like, doesn't work. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Pass on it.
There's a little pro tip from E-Money there. Pro tip, dude. Thanks, man. That was good. Okay, so this is Cartel Coffee Lab. I was here last weekend. It was on my other vlog channel, but I think it's incredible. They have a thing called 1-in-1. Look at the 1-in-1. See that? So 1-in-1's like having a half doppio and then having like kind of like a half cortado, but you get 2 drinks. You'll see, it's pretty crazy. We won't be able to on here because we're going to be having it in here. But we'll let you know how it is when I get back in the car. Look at this presentation. This is like 5-star. 5-star. So basically a 1-in-1 is basically like a macchiato slash cortado-ish thing here. 1 shot of espresso, sparkling water, cleanse your palate kind of thing. This is what. Look at that. All right, so that, you know, that's very close to a 4-odd doppio. It's really close to, in my book. I like it. So we got what's called a 1-in-1. You saw it in the pictures. It's kind of like a shot of espresso, plus you get this like other cortado-ish type drink. What did you think, E-Money? Was it any good?
Dude, that was a 4-odd doppio.
For you?
Incredible, yeah.
I mean like a Sopio, right? Single?
So good that it has to go on my Instagram.
That was incredible. There aren't very many more garage sales to go to. In fact, I don't even think there are any. But
there's one.
We're gonna try to see if we can find one more. We're gonna try one really, really hard.
Going right there.
Show it to me. All right, let's look at it. Any good? Let's see. Yeah.
This looks good. Man, it's got lots of stuff.
All right, there's a garage sale here with a lot of things. It looks crazy. Let's see, I have a motorcycle helmet that looks really interesting. Let's go check this one out. This looks really cool. From that garage sale, E-Money got 2 helmets. This one needs a little bit of glue on the little bottom part, but it's not a big deal. How much for both?
$2 total.
Wow, that one's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I got for $1 these VHS tapes, which I'll be putting in my booth for 3 to 4 piece, and then there's a 50% off sale, so I'll get about 2 for each one. But we got some good ones: Flashdance, Cocoon, Harry and the Hendersons, Starman, and Throw Mama from the Train. Out of these 5 movies, guys, what's the best one? Which one is the best one?
Got it.
Okay. I already know what my favorite one is here. It's between 2 of them.
All right,
actually.
you ready? On 3.
1, 2, 3. Cocoon. Yeah, definitely Cocoon. Super good.
By the way, these are HJC. They're not like...
That's not a good brand.
No, it's not. But I just got it because mainly this one is like a little bit more retro.
Yeah, it's a little, not really, but like it kind of, yeah. It has definitely better resale. Ooh, E-Money for what, 50 cents? You look like you belong.
I'm gonna get you some cheddar. I'm gonna tell you how to get some 50-cent shades.
Those things are so bad.
They're kind of like, whatever.
Well, you know, when you go to Ibiza, at least you don't have to like wonder what shades to bring.
These are awful.
E-money, when you go see Tiesto in Ibiza, you don't worry about what shades you need to bring.
No way. I'm going to
E-money.
South Padre right now.
You're gonna go to South Padre? You're gonna go dance on the Coca-Cola dance stage?
Yeah.
E-money.
Yeah.
If you feel like, you know, just going to Spotify and putting ATB on. ATB.
Get ready for the launch.
Get ready for the launch.
Oh, you know what?
What?
I'm gonna play for you Darude Sandstorm right now.
Dude, there's a sandstorm in this car because of those glasses. Okay, so we're gonna try to make it happen at this Goodwill. This could be like the only thrift store of the day. I'm kind of in taco mode already, I ain't gonna lie. There are not that many things, there are not that many options today. But, you know, it could be a way worse day and we're just having fun. It's sunny outside. Feels good. It's always sunny in Austin, Texas. What was that bag already? Anything good? Nope. All kinds of stuff in these bins. Oh man, that thing's actually pretty cool. Oh, this thing is cool. I like that. This looks rad. I've never seen a boombox that looks like this. We might have to look into this guy. Park the spaceship over there, and now we're at Taco Deli. A little early day. It's like 9:30. We're getting tacos already, but really not many other options to do today. There's that bike swap meet, which we'll show you after this. Iman, are you kind of hungry right now?
Yeah, I'm always hungry here.
All right. So we're gonna get some of these good-ass tacos, and just get prepared for this bicycle swap meet. We're gonna get prepared for the swap meet for the bicycles. You never know. It could be good.
You're way too early, man.
I know.
Is that slow out there? No cheddar?
Yeah, no cheddar. It was slow.
Cheddar free? It's a cheddar free Saturday?
It is, man.
Well, get some extra cheese on your taco.
Oh, I got the joke. I got it. Thank you. Tacos for the day. Looks pretty good. There are E-Money's tacos right there. And then after this, we're gonna go to the bicycle swap meet. So we'll show you that here in a second. But yeah, pretty basic tacos today for 9:30 in the morning, 9:45 in the morning. E-Money, you ready to eat?
Oh, I'm starving.
You ready to eat?
Yep.
Delicious tacos. Oh my gosh. E-Money, we're gonna go to bicycle swap meet thing?
Yeah, let's
We'll be a little early on it though, huh? We're gonna be a little early, but we'll check it out. We just parked the spaceship back there. We're on our way. So here's the bike store right here, and then the Franken bike is behind. It's actually over there. You can kind of see it. So just a big bike swap meet, parts, jerseys, seats, anything dealing with bicycle lifestyle will be here. And you just haggle. It's like a garage sale, you know? That's where it becomes interesting because, you know, you can score some really good parts for your own rides. And if you know about parts, you can sell them on places like eBay, you know? See some mag wheels already, yeah. Some mags right there. They're probably cracked though. The Carbon Giant. Which one? Oh yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. I'm looking for a bunch of random things, but if there's anything super profitable here, I will definitely look into that. All right, so I popped on this Ortlieb waterproof brand new bag with the mount and everything. That was 20 bucks. It's probably a $80 sale, I would think, on eBay, something like that. Some really cool stuff here. Cool downhill stuff. Man. These are nice gloves. Kind of like these gloves, they're cool.
So yeah, not the best day, not the worst day. I'm actually editing this video so I can get it out to you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. So show your support, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I love reading comments. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler Ride Along. Take it easy. Goodbye.